My name is Joe Bowling. I started the company Energy-Wise Solutions. Got started because of my interest in just self-sustainability, and then a buddy of mine built an off-grid cabin up in the mountains of North Carolina, and when he showed that to me, it really inspired me, and I had to try to go for it myself. And I, back in 2005, solar was really expensive, and so I got on the internet trying to figure out how I could afford to do solar. And then I came up with the idea, well, maybe if I start an online store, I can buy it wholesale. And so that's how I went and registered the name Energy-Wise Solutions and started an online store. And that ran for a few months until the same friend talked me into getting into the service side of the business. And back at that time, like I said, the cost of solar was so high that energy efficiency made a heck of a lot more sense to spend. The statistic back then was like, for every $1 you spend on energy efficiency, you'll save $10 on what it would cost you to power that inefficiency through solar. And so it just made a whole lot more sense to go for more efficient construction. So that led to HERS ratings, and then the green building wave came in, and we got certified in all the green building programs to be inspectors for those, LEED, Healthy Built Homes, and a few others. But anyway, we got it. In the early years, I was jumping into licenses and credentials like crazy, and we used to joke that all the money's in training because, but I was eating it up because I love learning all that stuff. And then the original business plan was very naive. It was we basically didn't have a business plan. It was, we'll help you be more self-sustainable. What do you want us to do to help you? And so we took on a lot of different projects, from rainwater harvesting to geothermal to solar hot water, solar electric, energy efficiency improvements, just a lot of various things without any real direction. But then along the line, along the years, spoke with business people and Small Business Administration, SCORE, a lot of those, and they kept telling me, you got to have a business plan. So started working on that, and we refined our services a little bit better, and today we still take on a variety of different things, but it's a little bit more organized and better. Where we're at now is we still do HERS ratings. We do code compliance testing for the new energy code. We install backup generators. We do solar, electric, and hot water. We do solar repairs and other. One of the latest things is we're back into the solar shingles. We were working with Dow, and Dow sold their product line off, and then the company who took it over, we just got reestablished, and so we're working with them now. And my latest interest is in self-sustainable communities, and I'm venturing in that direction with a mountain property, and if anybody's interested in that, then they can contact me on that. Yeah, this house behind us is a house that's a culmination of all that training and credentials that I strive for early in the business process. And a lot of the green programs are very good. They have good standards that and make you think about a lot of good ideas to implement. And I implemented a lot of it, you know, into this program, into this house, and I felt like a kid again, being able to build this to applying all the different building science and knowledge.